In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do an abdominal exercise known as chest hugs. I'm going to be showing you two variations of this. Firstly, using no equipment whatsoever, and then we're going to go through the progression, which is using a dumbbell. Now, I'm not using a mat in this demonstration or anything for my head like a pillow, but you absolutely can use a mat and a pillow if you need to, and you're somebody that gets neck strain. So, what I want you to do first, and I'll show you without the weight first, is you're going to come down into a position where you're laying on your back, head all the way to tailbone, completely in contact with the mat. There's no gap here or arch in my lower back. Notice how my feet are away from the body, but I've still got that bent knee. The whole of my foot is in contact with the floor. My arms come out to a T position. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to crunch up at the same time. I'm going to bring my knees to my chest. So that looks like this. I'm crunching up, knees to the chest, back down, crunching up, knees to chest, and back down. So when we start to incorporate weight, the weights go in the hands, stay in that T position, and then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to crunch up, and back, bringing the knees up and into the position and direction of the chest. As you crunch up, my arms are always staying straight. There's a soft bend in my elbow. So as I'm doing the motion, my arms aren't completely locked out. There's that soft bend for each repetition when I'm coming up into my crunch, using that added resistance and making the exercise a little bit harder. So that's how to do chest hugs, and you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions. For the easiest version, start off with no weight whatsoever, and you can progress to a harder variation by adding weight in each hand when you do the exercise.